Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font style on iPhone. So currently, there's no direct method of changing the overall font of your iPhone because Apple doesn't offer this feature yet. However, you can download third-party apps that will allow you to access keyboards that have different font styles. So to do this, just head to your App Store and then type in fonts, and then feel free to select which app you'd like to use. So for example, I have this one downloaded as well as this one, Fonts Art. So once you download the app, you're just going to close that and then head to your settings and then tap General, look for Keyboard, and right here on the Keyboard section, make sure to tap on Add New Keyboard and select the third-party app or keyboard that you just downloaded. So once you do that, you should be able to access the keyboard that has the font that you wish to use. So for example, we're going to head to Notes and we're going to try to access the keyboard app that we just downloaded simply by tapping on this globe icon at the bottom left corner and then selecting the name of the app that you downloaded. And as you can see, we can access different font styles for our keyboard. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.